video. Today we're going to be talking about how to pack for a meeting with your agency. I was recently contacted by an agency. They found me online and they want to work with me, and I'm like, sure. So I'm going to go meet with them, and there are a few things that I need to bring so that they can take some photos of me, so they have their own special photo stash of me that they can send to clients. So here's what you always need to bring. First things first, nude bra, nude underwear, seamless. You're always going to want to have your sexy black dress. Mine's got a little see-through thing in the middle, so that's nice. And you're always going to have skinny jeans. Black skinny jeans are your best friend as a model. These are going to be essential for most castings and meetings. And then you need a top for this, right? And one very important thing you should know is never, ever, ever, ever wear a white top. White is going to just blank out your skin and look bad. So what you need is a gray top. You could do a black top, but then it looks kind of like you're wearing a black jumpsuit. Or you can wear some colors that look good with your skin tone. So these are my two top options. It's good to have a couple options, but don't make a bag that's like this big, because then you don't want that. Then you're always going to want to have a swimsuit. I like this one. When you're a model, you have to show off your body because they want to see what you look like, and the most socially acceptable way to show off your body is by wearing a swimsuit. When you're doing your first shots with your agency, you need to also have a sports look, because they can then market you to Nike or Adidas or whoever. So here's my sports shorts, here's my sports shorts, and my sports shirt, and my sports bra, and we mustn't forget our sports shoes. Yes, the look isn't complete without the running shoes. And Gudetama socks. What you must never, ever, 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 ever forget are your basic black heels. Now, one thing you should know is your heel doesn't have to be extremely long. Like, some girls' heels are very, very long. I have a shorter heel because it achieves the same look without killing your ankles. Bring your makeup. I'm going to show up with no makeup so they can see the quality of my skin. Do you like it? I think it looks really good right now. But also bring your makeup because maybe they want a little bit of coverage or some darkness around the eyes or something. I'm trying to, is there anything else? Is there anything else? Oh yeah. Besides clothes, you're going to want to bring some important things such as your hairbrush, some napkins or tissues, and especially if you're traveling, places don't always have toilet paper, so make sure you bring this. I have a nail file and some chapstick, so those things are good too. That's basically all that you need, but you do need to bring all of those things, so don't forget. That's it. Make sure you wear an outfit. The outfit that you wear to the agency can actually be another alternative for some test shots. So my outfit is very simple. It accentuates the waist. It's very Chinese style, which is super appropriate for Taiwan. And you can't really see it very well, but it looks really good on me. So when you go to a casting or to your agency, you don't want to be wearing something too crazy. You don't want to be wearing all these patterns or these frills or these bright colors. They really want just solid tones, and everything is kind of chic and simple. So what you wear is going to be much more about the cut of what you wear, how it's, is it a V-neck, where's the sleeve, all these sorts of things, and how does it look on your body, much more than how flashy it is or how fashionista it is. And one time when I was younger, I used to bring in a lot of band shirts, kind of rocker style. And at the time, my agency liked that too. So if you have a style or an attitude that you're trying to portray, then you can totally wear outfits like that too. But make sure you always bring the basics. because the basics are what they want. Because it's not about what you're wearing, it's more about you. In this case, when you're a model, usually when you're being paid to model, it's about what you're wearing. You are a pretty face to show off the clothes or the jewelry or whatever it is. But when you're going to an agency or a casting, it's not about what you're wearing. What you're wearing should mostly just be showing off you. Make it simple and make it elegant and make it suit you as a person. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like my room. This is my wallpaper. And these are my stuffed animals. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye. 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 Mwah. Mwah. Do that 2 more times so it looks really good. Mwah. Mwah.